Acropolis has been organizing this kind of cleanup drives, mangrove restoration drives from 2017 to experience that connectedness with life. It's also to invite the public and to say that we are, as responsible citizens, we need to give back. And not just because the mangroves take care of us, but because it's a part of life. And just as we take care of our family, our brothers and sisters, we need to take care of our environment.
Volunteering also opens up people into a world around them, outside of them.
There's a whole world outside of us, and it is our duty to participate in it. We are part of it.
Come volunteer. It feels great when something after 2 hours is cleaned up and free and breathing and away from choking. So I think it's just a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Joy of seeing some difference, some little difference that we're able to make because we just took some time out to do it.